I'm in like a full pregnancy mode. I don't know what took over me. Your content, Instagram or YouTube, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just going straight into my foundation, you guys. So this is like a really quick get ready that I do when I'm going to office. So this is the outfit that I have on for office. My brushes are very dirty. I'm wearing makeup 6 days a week. 5 days for office, 1 day to church, and if I'm not going to my church, I'm going to somebody else's church, or I'm just going out on a Sunday, so I am wearing makeup. So my brushes are like really dirty, you guys. So this is like a very realistic real get ready with me video, and you guys know how much I love my MAC powder, because you guys can see I've used it. I've used it up. I've used all 15 grams of product, and I'm on the last leg of this powder. It does look a little powdery, but it stays on for like a really long time. It becomes oily towards the end of the day, but I like taking a smaller brush and I like using the powder. I like to get in the corners because it's like getting over, right? And go around my lips and also around my nose, and obviously underneath the eyes. Now that I'm pregnant though, I feel like my nose is getting bigger and bigger, so I like to do a little bit of contour like for my cheeks, right above my cheek. And I obviously do my eyebrows. This is like broken, so this is like my everyday makeup, you guys. This is like the realistic my eyeliner, and just go randomly, you guys. This is not even like straight or anything, okay? And then very soon go into this go in with a pointed tip blending brush and just smoke this out. And it already has some powder, like some black eyeshadow, and you know what this is actually going to do? This is going to give you guys, and it does not have to be neat, it should not be neat, just randomly do it, and it's going to give you this really nice smoked eyeliner look. And that's it. That's for work. I'm gonna curl my lashes, but no mascara, so this is just like curling the lashes where it looks really nicely curled. The final thing that we're going to be doing is our lips. I like to line my lips with like a brown liner. This is called Riffraff and it's called Homebody. It's from the brand My Glam. I like to mix these two lipsticks, and that's my signature nudie pink lips. So the nude comes from this Flesh color and the pink comes from Homebody, and it's such a beautiful combination on the lips. Let me just show you how I do it. Okay, so now my lips are lined. This is just how it's supposed to look. You're going to take Riffraff and apply it in the center of your lips like this, and then I like to go in with Homebody and just put like 3 dots on my lips, okay, and just mix it up. It smells so good. Look at that. Tell me this is not beautiful. Perfect nude lip, right? Like, hello, so beautiful. And it dries down on your lips and it does not go. I have my lunch, I have my tea break where I eat like oily ulunda vada and all of that, and still it stays on my lips. It's so good. I love it. Look at my rings though today. Look at my rings. You know what? This is very beautiful. Like, I think this is like such a pretty beautiful look. But then I was just thinking like a little blush would be nice, but I don't want anything pink. I want something that's like brown or terracotta or orange. So I picked up this blush. Who is it by? It's by Miss Claire Blusher, and it's in number 10. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this blush, and I have a new way of applying my blush. I like to go right underneath my eyes and apply it. I know this is like such a different way to do it, you guys, but I just love applying my blush like this. Like, is that not beautiful? Look at this side that's plain, and look at this side that's got some color. So I just like to do that, tap off the excess if you will, and just go right underneath. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, take care, bye bye.